All right, there's big money in washing for an HOA. So the first thing you do is you go to Fresh Rents Media on Facebook, order you 1,000 of these, what I call business cards or postcards or 5x7s, but I give them out like they're um, a business card, and scroll through, have Mike design something for you. And looky here, that's me. Anyway, that's the first thing you do. The next thing you do is you order envelopes off of Amazon or wherever for a 5x7 postcard. Now these are like 7 1/4 by 5 1/4. Be cognizant that sometimes you'll order a 5x7 and they come exactly 5x7, and those cards won't fit. So make sure they're made for the postcard. Next, go on Amazon and order you a couple of these stamps. Your business name, address, and phone number, call or text. And then one right here, please direct to your maintenance department. Now you can use different verbiage if you want. Then stamp your envelopes right there. Then search homeowner association, spell it out, not HOA. Your town, put your town in there, not your town, you get it, and your state, and you'll get your results right here. HOAs coming up and subdivisions. So from there, you click on the site and you find their address. Then you put your address on your envelope, put a stamp on it, and you're ready to go.